Everybody, Scott Carson here with your note term of the day. And today's term of the day is CMA. What is a CMA? Now, that doesn't stand for Country Music Award, which some people have asked. What a CMA stands for is Comparative Market Analysis. Now, you've heard us talk previously about value and what a BPO is, a broker price opinion. A CMA is something you would run on the front end before you ever go to contract. A comparative market analysis may be something that you pull if you're a realtor or if you're a realtor friend to jump online and pull some quick comps, comparables, comparable market analysis. It's not a appraisal per se, which can cost you $400, $450. It's not a BPO, which will cost you $100, $150. A CMA may just be having your local agent, hey, can you log into the multiple listing service and pull some quick comps is what it's also referred to, pull comparables. What's the rough value of this property? It may still cost you $50 to pull. It may be free. It all depends on the relationship you have with the agent pulling the comparables. Many times, people, especially investors that reach out to an agent may just have their assistant jump online, put the address in, square footage, size, beds and baths, and pull a quick comparable analysis. And I always like to ask, if you're going to pull a CMA, a comparable market analysis, make sure it does list actives, pendings, and previous solds in the last 90 days. You may see a comparable analysis listed in due diligence. Once again, it's not an official BPO, but if you're happy with the CMA, you may not need to order a BPO. If you like what you see as far as comparables and the numbers are pretty close to what you're looking for, or if the assets are very close in nature to your unit. Now, once again, you're not getting interior access to it. It's just a quick online pull from the multiple listing service and email it out to you. Any realtor can pull this very quickly. They may not drive out and take a look at it. So that's one big thing. It's a little bit different maybe with a BPO, broker price opinion. You're always going to have somebody go out and take a look at the property before they pull numbers. A CMA is just going to be an online quick evaluation pull. That may not cost you anything. It may cost you $8 or $50. Some realtors charge for it. Some are willing to give it to you for free with the hope that they're going to get the listing at some point. But a CMA stands for Comparable Market Analysis. It's usually like just 2 or 3 pages. Like I said, it shows the pendings, the actives, and any solds, and gives you an idea, a rough value of what your property might be worth that you're buying the note on. So check it out. CMA, like I said, I've had, if I had buying property, a bunch of notes in one city, I may have one agent, hey, can you pull comparables for these for me? And I'm glad to pay them to take a look at it. It's not an official BPO, but it's also a lot cheaper. It can also save you a lot of stuff if the agent comes back and says, hey, this is in a rough area, or the values or days on market is an important thing. ADOM, average days on market, days on M. Market can be increased or low. That's a big thing you want to look at as well, too. If it's over a year, over 6 months to sell a property, then you want to make sure you also get a quick sale price, not just the AV or the CMA. What's the value of the property, but what's also the quick sale price, especially if days on market are above 30, 60, 90 days, then you would have to, the value may be one thing, but then your quick sale price may be less to help, because if you need to move it in 30 days, you would have to reduce the price. So these are things to look at, not only in your CMA, but also in your BPO as well. And that's your note term of the day. What is a CMA?